Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors Glow in the Dark nail polishes. These are $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. It's the only place I've ever seen them. I believe Dollar Tree is the only place these are available. There's at least 10 shades in this line or more. All kinds of different bright colors. They are fun. There's no need for a UV light or a black light. Just a regular light or sun exposure for these polishes, so that's really awesome. These polishes glow the brightest when they have sun exposure. You know, they glow with regular light, but they're going to glow the brightest with with sun exposure. The polishes apply evenly. They are a sheer formula. The good thing about having the sheer formula is that you can apply these over any other polish to make it glow. They dry fairly quickly. The glow doesn't last long in the dark though. Like once they have light exposure, sun exposure, you're going to get your brightest glow with the sun exposure. But once you get them in the dark, they do not glow very long. And therefore making it's hard to photograph these polishes because of that, in my opinion. But if you're not photographing or anything like that, then none of that matters. These are a super fun polish, especially for spooky season. I would recommend getting the basic glow polish. This one is just called Glowing because it will make any polish glow. This one is called Jinx, and I just love this dusty like purple color. Anyone curious about wear time? The wear time on these are about the same as a regular nail polish, 2 to 3 days without shipping. It also depends on what shade you apply over top of it, what kind of top coat you use, how often your hands are in water. So wear time is always hard to say, but for me it's usually about 3 days because my hands stay in dishwater. Overall, these are such fun polishes. I do recommend picking them up, and these are super fun for Halloween. That is my Dollar Tree review. If you have any other comments or questions regarding the polishes, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. There is a Dollar Tree review playlist linked in the description box, as well as a slew of other Dollar Tree related content. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.